Welcome to Unburdened Minds. I am Karil Dagan.
I'm Sheyan Calaostro.
I am Chanel de la Cruz.
And I am Clarice Miguel.
And for today's vlog number 2, ang gagawin namin ay magkukumustahan lang on how is our vlog 1 doing. So, Sheyan, anong ginawa mo sa vlog 1 and how is it doing right now?
Ang ginawa ko sa vlog 1 ay inintroduce lang yung Unburdened Minds at pwede rin itong makatulong sa kanila. Sa ngayon, marami na rin nakapanood nito at feeling ko nakatulong rin ito sa kanila. Ikaw, Chanel.
What I did on the Unburdened Minds vlog was I gave them some techniques also and then some codes and advices, and this vlog has been reached hundreds of people now. What about you, Clarice?
Okay naman siya, okay naman din ang views, and pinanood din ito ng isang cousin ko at kapatid ko, and I hope nakatulong din sa kanila.
Ako naman, kung hindi nyo tatanungin, ba't hindi nyo ako tinanong? So, ang ginawa ko sa vlog ko, nagmukbang ako kasi mukbang is life, and it's doing well. It reached some people naman na since it's posted on YouTube, so dumadami pa naman yung nanonood, so ayos na ayos. So, let's go on the main video!
What I've done so far to our campaign is I shared the link to my common friends, and also inintroduce ko sa kanila kung ano talaga ang epekto kung nasosobrahan na sa pagka-stress or if there's emotional challenges. And I also said to them na they should try to stay focused and stay positive to maintain mental clarity also.
So, mental clarity. So you sent them our advocacy for clarity of mind.
Yes.
Yan. Pareho tayo actually. I've sent my video and also the link of our advocacy to my friends since naka-post naman na yung vlog 1, which is they will have fun seeing me eat and while knowing more about our advocacy. So, how about you, Clarice? What did you do in campaigning our advocacy?
Binigay ko to sa pinsan and kapatid ko through Facebook Messenger, and binisit naman nila yung website and pinanood yung vlog 1 ko, and actually pinilit ko din yung pinsan ko na i-open yung website and video. So, yeah.
Let's not forget Shian. Ano naman ang ginawa mo?
Sa akin, medyo same with Clarice, pero friends. Pinilit ko rin silang panoorin
Ba't may
yun.
pilitang nagaganap?
Para panoorin yun kasi feel ko rin na-stress sila.
Parang mas na-stress sila nung pinili mo. Okay. As I've said from my vlog 1, that mental health for us students is really important, lalo na sa paggawa ng schoolworks and sa mga academics na you know that I am also an organization officer, kaya talagang importante sa akin yung i-guard ko or i-make my mental health healthy kasi ako rin yung masisira if hindi ko siya aalagaan. Do you have the same answer with me or my further pa kayo answer? Like, ikaw?
For me, ang sinabi ko doon sa first vlog ko is it's okay to be not okay. Kaya pwede ring magpahinga kung napapagod na.
Yun.
Ikaw, Chanel.
So, as what I've said on my first vlog, like I've seen how overwhelming life can get, both personally and around me. I believe also that mental health is just as important as physical health. So everyone deserves support. What about you, Clarice?
As an athlete ng archery,
Hindi ka ba nai-stress?
Nai-stress din kasi like nag-mix na yung pag-training tapos yung mga deadlines pa ng schoolworks, requirements, tas basta magpahinga ka lang.
So, we have the answer. We all know that most adults say na arte nyo lang yan, ng mga teenager, sa panahon nga namin noon, ganon, may comparison na nagaganap. So, we want to break the stigma na it's not just arte, but it is an important matter since we are talking already about mental health. And mental health is, I've said again that it is an important factor in our well-being. Kaya, kailangan din na maprotektaran and maging healthy yung mental health natin, especially for us students. So, social media would help us to create platform again to create social change. Yun nga, to break the stigma na arte lang daw, but maipaalam namin sa mga adult and to all people na hindi lang siya arte, but it is a serious issue na nafe-face mostly ng students. And one social media platform that would enable us to spread this word, advocacy is through TikTok, which is students usually use para i-release yung mga struggles and yung mga hinanakit nila in academics.
So, social media is really a big tool, helping tool for us kasi mas marami itong marireach, especially students, lalo na sa TikTok, Facebook, sa YouTube, IG. Oo, marami na rin doon. So, sa video namin, mas maraming may inspire at matutulungan na rin para ma-motivate silang alagaan pa ang kanilang mental health. So, ikaw, Chanel?
People may see social media as dangerous for people or some to students,
Especially to children.
yeah, but I don't think so, because social media is really can play a big role to our lives. Kasi you know guys, the guy that been living in TikTok every night, na what he always do, he always keep motivating children or students na dapat to live to the fullest kasi we only live once, so we must enjoy our lives. So yung alam mo yung comment section, like almost students lahat yung nandun, since they also feel what the guy
Trying to say.
yeah.
So you're imposing that social media comes with a benefit and also destructive effects on person based on how they utilize the social media. Yun. And lastly, Clarice.
So, sa social media, and hindi lang naman kasi paglilibang or pag-waste ng time yung social media, like through panonood or through madami ka naman matututunan talaga sa social media. So like, if magrarat ka sa Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, may mga negative comments and positive comments. But like, meron naman din yung mga nag-a-advise sa'yo na layaan mo to or something. So,
So social media like Facebook can be a tool in order for you to walk on a right path and not follow those that will lead you to unsuccessful future. Ganun ba yun? For the good of yourself din. So, yes, we all said a senseful opinions. Alright, ayan, there you have it. So, dito na nagtatapos ang aming vlog 2. And again, I am Cariel Dagan.
I'm Sheyan Calaostro.
I'm Chanel de la Cruz.
and I'm Clarice Miguel.
And this is Unburdened Minds. Don't forget to
Like,
Share,
Subscribe.
and click on that notification bell for more updates. See you on our next vlog. Bye!